Hi guys, this is Progress FS speaking once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For my subscribers, I appreciate you for staying tuned. If you are new to my channel, kindly press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for more knowledge-oriented videos. So this is the Rejoinder to the gold analysis I posted earlier today. So like I expected, I told you earlier today in the previous video that this mini resistance level determines the character of gold today. So at the end of the day, you can see that the price of gold, as I am circling that, let me widen the chart, the size of the candlestick for you to see what I'm talking about. So this is the mini resistance area, which of course I applied this shape, as you can see. So with yellow line, so this was the price yesterday that tested the same resistance level here, this line. So the price tested it here yesterday, like I told you something about this 34 moving average. Now when the price tests this 34 moving average, highest will do add one more candlestick or pull back if the market is still going to fall back to normal price, or do I say to former trend. So today I told you that should the gold market price today break this resistance level here, that you should be expecting that the next thing it will do is looking for the former supply area. Remember, here is the last QM supply area, which it has tested and could not break it today, being Monday. So what happens? The price started falling down. I have sales already, although I have made above 200 euros. So today, which I used to have a average of 200 euros as target, especially on a new account. So here you can see that it was not able to even break the resistance level. What happened? It started falling down. What is our confirmation? Here, let me widen the chart once again. 34 moving average. Do you see what is happening here? Already the 20 moving averages crossed back. What does it signify? That signifies that the market is probably going to pull down. And of course, where is the target? The target is the last lower low of Friday, of course, last week. So which is this red line, as you can see. Probably the price is heading back, but like I told you, two things are likely to happen. Either that the price of the market got to this point here and of course reverse back to form overall buy, or do I say change in trend, or that it breaks down below this lower low of here, lower low of last week. So like expected, you can see it's already forming possibility for downtrending, which is likely to happen tomorrow, being Tuesday. So keep the eyes on the market, keep your eyes on the market, and of course don't forget to follow the analysis and trade responsibly. Subscribe to our channel if you have not, turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for more videos. I will continue to update us on gold because that is the only thing I trade. So guys, stay tuned for more videos.